Do you feel lonely within your queer relationship? Maybe you and your partner are so desperate to make love work, but you keep looping through the same arguments or patterns over and over and over again. My name is Isaac, and I'm a queer-specific therapist, a graduate professor, and a gay married person. It took my husband and me 13 years until we felt confident enough to tie the knot. I had to learn how to be honest, not only with my feelings, but also with my needs. I had to learn how to ask maturely for the things I wanted instead of using criticism and manipulation. I learned new ways of communicating with healthy boundaries, and I had to practice balancing healthy dependence with healthy independence. I want every queer person to know that they can create and sustain the relationships they most deeply crave. And for that very reason, I am hosting a 2-day conference on September 30th and October 1st in Denver. I want you to feel empowered, equipped, and healthy enough to build something beautiful with your partner or your partners. And most importantly, I want you to know yourself so well that you have no choice but to be authentic. Whether you're in a polycule, an ethically non-monogamous relationship, a situationship, or a monogamous marriage, this workshop is for you. The registration link is in my bio, and I hope to see you there.